Just look at that rice and peas, guys. Look at that Jamaican rice and peas. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. See how shelly that is? So you want to make sure you cover this up real good. And what I did was I put a piece of plastic over mine and then put the covering on. So actually it kind of steams it, okay? Give it a nice steam, shelly look. And you want to just make sure you mix that up, okay? And you want to cover it back and let it steam some more. And you see I have my fresh thyme right there, and you can just take that out when you finish. See that? That's how you want your rice to be. Okay guys, make sure you hit like and please subscribe to Cooking with Nina. Go to my YouTube channel, hit like, share and subscribe. Be blessed.